So this is probably the best deal in terms of like an easy place to go. Huay Kaew Residence. It's near Neiman. That's near the old mall there. There's a pool over here, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. They have a hair salon right there. They have laundry service. They have a restaurant right there. Over here they have a market. And pretty much everything you need to like live in a country for a while. Yeah. 4,000. Oh, that's a microwave? Okay. Pool here. Like I said before, Huay Kaew Residence probably isn't the fanciest place or isn't the best for price you can get in Chiang Mai, but for that you'd probably have to go outside the city a little bit. It wouldn't be in the central location next to pretty much all the things that foreigners like to see and do, including going to Old City really easily, like a 20 baht Songtao, one of the red trucks. You can go to Taipei Gate from Huay Kaew. So that's quite easy. Sometimes it's 30 baht because you're a foreigner, but whatever. It's up to you for that. And so it's just a decent location. It's like, you know, 6,000 baht including utilities. Or it can be 3,500 baht and then probably another 500 baht, you know, rounding up to about 4,000, 4,200, depending on how you use air conditioning. And so that's really a good price considering its location, its proximity to pump space. That is if you would like to use that, or Maya, or you know, a lot of the restaurants that are quite popular in this area. So in terms of like just coming to Chiang Mai, finding a place that's reliable and being able to focus on your work, that's probably the place to go. Huay Kaew Residence.